Welcome to the Coastal Craft Film channel. So today I got a new tripod setup with lighting. So I've been trying to have a better lighting for my video. So notice the difference. So this is without the light. So that's without the light. So it comes with two lights. And I'll link to you in the description the tripod and the clamp light that I'm using. So right now, let me turn off the lights. So that's okay, so that's without the light. You can see my shadow, but when I turn on the light, so you can see that's light 1 and light 2. That's a much better picture. So today we're going to be unboxing this Light Up Your Beauty 8.5 height adjustable LED makeup mirror with Type-C charger. So let's open it up. I actually bought it for a couple months now, and I'm only opening it today. So it comes with a very secured styro packaging, which is nice. Okay, let's see what's inside. Okay, there's nothing inside. Okay, it comes with this. I don't know, it came with a freebie or something. This is the mirror. Oh, that's nice. So you can see the mirror. Let me touch it. Ooh, it still works even after a couple months that it hasn't been charged for a couple months, but it still works. So those are the lighting, which is super nice. So let's put this in the background. So this is the actual mirror. As you can see, it is adjustable. Let me see if I can show you that. Okay, so let's look at what's inside the box. So this is the user manual. 1 to 10 times magnification, height adjustable makeup mirror. So there, 360 rotation. This is the base, which is just pretty heavy, so it shouldn't fall. This is the charger, which is a Type-C. What is this? This is just their card, and it comes with a cleaning cloth. So let's assemble the product. So to assemble, all you have to do is just screw this screw it tightly. There you go. As tight as it will go. See, it's adjustable. Go down and up. And let's see here. I think the nicest color is this color. I like that. And you can unscrew this part, which will make it loose or tight. So that one is really loose. You can tighten it. So I really like this mirror. So this is the 10 times magnification. It says here the recommended distance for using 10 times is, it says 4 inches. So you need to be really close to use the 10 times. So there you have it. So this charger goes right, trying to locate, there's the charging port. So that is our video for today. I hope this video helps, and I will link this product in the description. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.